Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 with LatteGo and the Jura E8. Both sound pretty fancy.
Yeah, definitely in the premium category. The Philips, it's listed as renewed and is priced at $799. The Jura E8, on the other hand, looks like it's going for around $3,400 from a third-party seller, Emporium Brands.
Wow, huge price difference. So what do you get for that extra money with the Jura?
Well, the Jura boasts a professional aroma grinder, which they say extracts 12% more aroma. It also uses something called pulse extraction process for maximum flavor, especially with shorter drinks. Plus, it can prepare 17 programmed specialties.
17? The Philips says it can make 12 different fresh bean coffees, like espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato. It's got that LatteGo system for frothing milk, which they claim is super easy to clean, like 15 seconds easy.
The Jura has a 2.8-inch color display and uses what they call artificial intelligence for simple handling. You can even adapt the product settings on the screen.
The Philips has a customizable coffee customizer for adjusting aroma and volume, and even an extra shot function. And the grinder has 12-step adjustment levels, which is pretty neat. Plus, the ceramic grinders are supposed to last for 20,000 cups.
Jura doesn't explicitly state the lifespan of their grinder, but it's designed for consistent high grind quality. The water tank is 64 ounces, quite large.
The Philips dimensions are about 15 by 10 by 17 inches, and it weighs around 18.5 pounds. What about the Jura?
The Jura is 17 x 20.2 x 12.8 inches, but it's only listed at 1 pound, which is definitely incorrect. So take that with a grain of salt and probably weighs similarly to the Philips.
So, if you're on a budget and want a machine with easy cleaning and a decent range of drinks, the Philips seems like a solid choice. But if you're after potentially the best aroma and are willing to pay a premium, the Jura E8 might be the way to go and has a much better customer rating of 4.5 vs 4.1.
Exactly. It really comes down to how much you value those extra features and how much you're willing to spend, and the fact that the Philips is renewed might be a factor for some people.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.